In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Temu, whether you're using the app on iOS or Android, or if you prefer accessing it through your web browser, I've got you covered with clear, easy to follow instructions. First, you'll want to open the Temu app on your device. Alternatively, you can head over to your browser and type in temu.com. Once you've done that, let's focus our attention on logging in. Look for the profile icon or the sign in menu on the home page. This is your gateway to accessing your account. Tap on it and enter your account credentials to log in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your address book. This is a handy feature that allows you to keep track of your different addresses. Perfect for when you're planning to ship products to various locations. In the account menu, you should find the options labeled addresses or address book. Select one of these and you'll be taken to the area where all your stored addresses are listed. Once you've reached your address book, you have a couple of options. You can either add a new address or edit an existing one. If you need to add a new address, simply tap on Add New Address. You'll be prompted to enter the full shipping details, including the street, city, and zip code, among others. Be thorough as you fill this out, as accurate details mean smooth delivery of your items. Editing an existing address is just as straightforward. Navigate to the address you wish to update and make any necessary changes to ensure it reflects your current details. Finally, after adding or editing an address, it's crucial to save your changes. Sometimes we get so caught up in typing that we might forget this last step. So, hit the save button to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. You've successfully signed into Temu and managed your address book with ease. Following these steps will make your experience on Temu a seamless one, especially when it comes to managing deliveries. Keep in mind that having the right details in your address book can significantly enhance your shopping experience, making it hassle-free and enjoyable.